Within feasibility, the thing you need to take seriously is which vendors you're using. You know, if you build on a single license holder or charter holder who has problems, your whole business is at risk. Your biggest existential threat as a business is usually going to be around who is the license holder or the sponsor bank. It's complicated because you have two businesses they have completely different risk. You're trying to move at speed and focus on your customer and enable the kind of experiences that will mean that your product is interesting. These guys are trying to protect their license, and the more programs they're working with off the top, the more risk they feel they have. So you have to manage that relationship really, really well. Pre-launch, you're not often very connected with them because you're not doing any tech integrations. It doesn't seem to be impacting that much of what the product roadmap is going to look like because there's a sort of known set of needs. But when you're live, it becomes operationally a large part of your business. And then from a product side, if you don't manage that well, it will make them understandably view you as more risky as a program, and therefore your ability to be flexible on the product will become harder as well. Of the feasibility conversations you need to have, that is pretty much your biggest thing. And far too often people don't get into the weeds of how that relationship's going to work, and suddenly they find themselves not offering the product experience they wanted or having to switch it out, and they will lose customers and they will lose trust. You're a young brand trying to do something unusual that a lot of incumbent players don't necessarily think you'll succeed at. And a simple thing like a half-an-hour outage is a big problem for your customers, which you should take seriously, but also from a PR perspective, it can look pretty disastrous.